Hi there, this is Jim Laverty with This Old Coach, Everything RV. This segment we're going to talk about if you've got a leak up here around your AC air conditioner. And sometimes if the air conditioner is too loose, it will cause water to come in. And so the first thing you want to do when you go to check this is pop these little tabs off. And I was able to get in here with like a little tool here, and I was able to pop these things off, and not too hard, as you can see. And that's our first thing. And the second thing you're going to do is you want to come in here where your filter is and pull your filter off, and that gives you access to these 4 screws right here. And that'll enable you, actually there's 6 screws, enable you to pull this little panel off. Okay, so I got a ratchet with a 3/16 inch ratchet on there, and what you want to do is you don't want to over tighten these. So what I suggest to do is maybe a half turn or so, and each one of them, give it about a half turn. You don't want to over tighten because you don't want to hurt the gasket in between. And just give it a half turn. And what that does is it takes the air conditioner and compresses it tighter against the gasket. You know, because a lot of times when you're going down the road, everybody knows that the coach is jiggling and moving about, and sometimes these bolts can come loose. So basically what that does is it compresses it down and creates a tighter seal between the air conditioner and the roof. And if you do that, it should stop this from leaking and getting water, because you never want to get water inside, leaking in from your roof. That's a bad thing. So if you look around and you see water stains around here, you know you got an issue. So before you take it to Camping World and they keep your coach for like 3 months just to, turn a couple bolts, try this for yourself. It could save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money just by trying to figure out this on your own. So these 4 bolts, maybe a half turn, maybe a full turn, and I'll compress it, and that'll save you some time and money so you can enjoy your RV vacation. Okay, Jim Laverty with This Old Coach, Everything RV, for this tip. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.